confident English speaker.
Step by step. 1. Build your foundation with listening. Most people start with grammar. That's a mistake. Start with listening. Listen every day. Get familiar with the sounds, the rhythm, the feeling of the language. Because listening is where everything begins. 2. Stay consistent, not perfect. You don't need to study for hours. You just need to show up every day. 10 to 20 minutes is enough. What matters is consistency, not perfection. Because consistency beats intensity. 3. Surround yourself with English. Don't just study English. Live in it. Change your phone language. Watch English content. Listen to music and podcasts. Create your own environment, so English becomes part of your daily life. 4. Follow English content creators. This is one of the easiest ways to learn naturally.